Hello students, I am Gurvinder. Today I am here to discuss about the two terms of the computer science, that is computer hardware and computer software. In easy words, what's the definition of computer hardware? The parts of the computer to which we can touch or feel is called computer hardware, like monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU box, speakers, headphones, joysticks, printer, that all are the part of computer hardware, that is computer hardware. And now what is computer software? The definition of software is the set of programs, and the program is set of instruction that perform a specific tasks. The part of computer to which we can't touch and we can't feel, like MS Paint, MS Word. There are lots of software. Sometimes what happen when we do practical in the computer lab, then what students do, then touch the monitor and say that ma'am, we can touch the software, and that is not that touchable. You are touching to the screen, you are touching to the video, you are touching to the monitor. So we can't touch to the software, just we can see through the screen the software. So there are basically two types of software. One is system software and another is application software. The system software that make interface between the user and computer hardware. So the example of system software is operating system, and there are also example of operating system like MS-DOS operating system. Mainly we use MS Windows, because MS Windows is user friendly. We can easily use by clicking on the desktop. In the Unix, there are also operating system that is Unix, but Unix is not very easy as compared to Windows, because we have to type so many commands to perform a specific task. So these are the example of system software. See, if there is no any system software or no any operating system is installed in a computer hardware, then computer hardware is just like empty box. We can't perform any operation, even we can't see anything on the screen in the monitor. So if we want to do any work on the computer, then there is a need of installation of system software, like as operating system, like as MS Windows, Unix, DOS. So what the system software do? System software is a work like a bridge in the user and in the computer hardware. And on the flip side, what is application software? Application software is a set of programs that perform a specific task. In the example of application software like MS Paint and Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, there are lots of application software are available in the computer life. So why we call it application software? Because they perform specific tasks. If I would like to talk about MS Paint, we can only paint and we can edit pictures and save. We can't type and we can't make document or Excel file in the MS Paint. In the same way, if I want to draw a picture, I can't use MS Excel. So there is specific functions of the application software. If I would like to make a spreadsheet and also want to perform calculation, then I will use MS Excel, not MS Paint. So these are the application softwares. So let's discuss in detail through PPT. So students, have a look on the definitions and detail of hardware and software. So what is hardware? The physical parts of the computer and related devices, which can be internal or external. Like external monitor, CPU box, mouse we can see from the external side of the computer, or internal can be microprocessor, RAM, ROM. These are the internal devices, these are the internal hardware. And what is a software? The programs and applications that run on a computer is called software, like as MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. These are the examples of software. So these are the examples you can see on the screen. These are the example of hardware, and these are the ocean of the software. On the screen on the left side you can see these are some browsers on which we run internet, like Apple Safari, Internet Explorer, Opera, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. There are lots of software available for the computer. And then let's go to the software. The computer programs and related data provide the instructions for telling the computer hardware that what to do and how to do it. See, without software we can't operate anything on the computer. So software tells to hardware what to do. If there is printer, then software will tell print this picture, print this document. So software guides to hardware. So there are many different types of software, and therefore it can be classified in mainly two categories, that is system software and application software. As I discussed earlier, system software is the bridge between the user and the hardware, like as operating system, and the example of operating systems are MS Windows, DOS, Unix. And the other side, application software that perform a specific task, like as MS Excel, MS we can say MS Word, MS Paint, or the software we use to play songs or videos like VLC media player, window media player. These are the application software. Now what is hardware? There are two types of hardware, external components and internal components. What are external components? External components, also known as peripherals. These are usually known as input, output devices like mouse, keyboard, printers, scanners, speakers. These are peripherals devices and also known as external components of the computer. And now see internal components. These are also called processing and storage. These are usually housed within the casing of the computer, within the CPU box that is fit on the motherboard, like hard disk, processor, memory chip, graphics card, NIC, circuitry, RAM, ROM. These are the internal components. So there are basically two types of hardware. So students, thank you for giving time to watch this video. I hope you have understood this topic. So please like and subscribe to watch more videos related to computer science. Thank you.